Hi and hello. Thanks for watching this video. Today we'll see three stocks from three different sectors. And as a disclaimer, this content is just for the educational purpose and not a recommendation or a suggestion for any trading or investment idea. Money spent on any financial market requires individual due diligence. Please take care of your money. You can watch these stocks keeping in watch list and monitor. Thanks again for watching this video. Let's see the stocks. The first stock we'll see is a Thermax Limited. So this company is into a multiple business like industrial boilers and heaters, and it is into power, and they have a chemical they are into chemical sector also. The setup looks it is a I already drawn the trend line and the breakout points. So this stock was in channel range, uptrending channel range from October 2007 to till now. It has not come out of this channel, and this setup is looking interesting because it has given a 5 years all-time high breakout. So you can see the high made on March 2015, then it tried to break somewhere around December 2017. At last, it broke that high and traded all-time high in Feb 21, and there is a small retracement, and now it is comfortably trading above the breakout point. So there is a small resistance. This green line will be acting as a small resistance, which is like 1493, somewhere around 1500. So once the stock crosses the 1500, then it can give multiple returns. And this stock fundamentally also have potential to give good return. And this stock is a very good dividend payer, and the promoter holding is more than 60%, and this company is almost a debit free company. Okay, and now let's calculate the expected target. So what I'll do is I will just calculate the range of this channel. So the range is somewhere around 500 to 1360. So yeah, this is our expected target. The expected target is somewhere around 2216, which is like 2200. So I'll start book my profit once the stock trades near 2200. So this is my first target, but this stock has potential to give multiple returns. See, I may go completely wrong also, so we need to maintain a very strict stop loss. So for this, I'll be having a stop loss somewhere around 1075, 1060. I'll change the color to red. Yeah, so this red line, so 1080 will be my approximate stop loss. So if a candle closes below this 7070, I'll close my trade and look for other stock. Yes, and this is about Thermax Limited. The second stock we are going to discuss is Agrotech Foods Limited. This stock trades only in BSE, I guess so. I'm not sure whether it is trading in NSE or not. I have not checked it. And but this chart is from a BSE. This chart is also looking good. It's a monthly chart, uptrending moment. Then there is a consolidation and there is a breakout happened recently. So that is why this stock was interesting to me. Agrotech Foods Limited, and this stock is into food products and edible oil business. And the setup here, which I am showing here, it is like somewhere around September 2014. It started consolidating. It tried to break Jan 2015, not happened, and there is a breakout happened in December 2017, Jan 2018, and April 2018, but not able to sustain, so it fall down. And this big red candle is of March 2019 candle, where there's a COVID candle. So after that, it had a good comeback, and it broke the all-time high resistance in December 2020. Then after some consolidation happened, and it is now comfortably trading about the breakout point. So, and about this company is also a good dividend, a decent dividend payer, and almost a debit-free company with 50%, more than 50% promoter holding is there in the company, so which shows the company's growth can be expected in a very good manner. Um, so I have drawn this parallel lines stating the range somewhere around from 340 rupees to 821 rupees. So what will be your expected target? So this will be our target. My first expected target is somewhere around 1296, 1300. So I'll start book my profit once this stock crosses 1275. So my first target is this one. I'll be keep moving my stop loss according to the candle formation, and my strict stop loss will be somewhere around. So I'll keep my stock loss somewhere around 625. So market is too volatile nowadays. That's why I'm trying to keep a little bit higher stop loss side. So which is like rare case to hit it, so that we can make a sure profit. Yeah, so 620, 625 will be my strict stop loss. For the expected target is somewhere around 1300, and currently the stock is trading at 850, and this can be accumulate. So yeah, I missed to draw the accumulation zone. So this stock can be accumulated from 760, 770 to 940. So this is our accumulation zone for the set target. And this is about the Agrotech Foods Limited. So the last third stock we are going to discuss is SMS Pharmaceutical Limited. So this is from pharma sector, a very good pharma company, and it has more than 65% shareholders, I mean promoter holders with a small debt. It's not a debit-free company, it has a small debt, and it gives a regular small dividend. Regularly, this company pays a small dividend to the shareholders, which is a good thing. And the setup here we are seeing is it made a high at not Jan, December 2015. Then it tried to break that high somewhere around September 2017, failed, and Jan 2018 it failed, and at last it broke the all-time high breakout somewhere around Feb 2021, the last month. So it is consolidating from 2015 to 2020, so which is approximate around 5 years channel breakout, I can say, to all-time high. So yeah, the breakout point is 130 rupees. We'll calculate the range now to figure out our we calculate the range to figure out our target. Yeah, so the range is somewhere between 24.75, 25 rupees to 130 rupees. So a range of 104 points. So which can give a very good target of around 235 rupees it is showing. So we can start booking once the stock crosses 220 to 25 rupees. So currently the stock is trading around 147 and our expected target is 230 rupees, 230 to 35 rupees. And our accumulation zone will be somewhere around 150 rupees to 125 rupees to 150 rupees. So 25 rupees, a very good range accumulation zone we get, and we are getting here for a set target of 230 to 35. And okay, the last one is our stop loss on this thing. So I will keep stop loss somewhere around 95 rupees. So again, here it is again a very big stop loss. So this is my stop loss. Anyone is taking position on this or any set or any of the three stocks which you discussed here, please have your own calculated risk, have your own stop loss. So this is my setup and my expectations, and I can go completely wrong. So please take care of your money and investment. And thanks again for watching this video. And I had shared my views on a few other breakout stocks. Links are given in the description. Please check those and comment. Thank you.